All right, so this might not be the newest, craziest technology, but before I started working here, I had never heard of Easy Fuel. Have you? Easy Fuel means no more gas caps. So there's actually two flaps on the Easy Fuel. The first one is easy to push open, but the second one, that's gonna lead into the gas tank, not so much. It's gonna only open with the use of a standard size fuel nozzle. Along with no gas caps, it also ensures that Ford owners are using the proper fuel. If a nozzle or another foreign object that's the wrong size is inserted into the Easy Fuel, it's not going to open up. The system works for both regular and diesel, so it detects the proper fuel nozzle that your car needs. And this feature makes siphoning nearly impossible. The idea is designed to simplify fill-ups, reduce emissions, reduce incidents where people use the wrong type of fuel in their car, and to protect the vehicle from theft. One thing to keep in mind though, if your vehicle runs out of gas, this nozzle is not going to fit inside your Easy Fuel. So what do? Luckily, Ford thought of this, and they provide you with your own special nozzle that can be found in the back of your car near the spare tire.